Adoame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adoame vana ajedato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau fikole ye nu baramana yo le cho yo jo bon pomma Bola bonu kakani gakeme Fikole ma we fikole ma mbe fikole ma Ficolema, ah, Ficolema, ewe, Ficolema. Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is balejado. Aja Baba Asikali.
Nyapa nukolau betul sana miba penyebab TV di wana apa kau nyapa toli makboy enya weso tu na miba pojing tu apa kakak mamletong betak bana mi kata be mila de kau maplim le batong apa nami be mi wore kakak plim da mi apa lono ple Chola mafiana miako wono kata Tony Magboga miako be chufifia base indi ngawo ke nyaje go ple miako motivational message shikere no miako na goma motivational message ada le miashi alo motivational quote ada no na miashi ike mi kona ko durant semiaro kyo kona ko plana miaro kyo lan ka kama da nyaje ko donc ci be mi la wordwe la ko Technical University ama na va chimfuga hosta na bi mi atako mia boga kana be check up na number kana zanya +233242670 773 +233242670 enya ya baka po jeshi kana dan atwa kono kam ka be yomi jo iko kwa shakpa kana le mi anko sala Ghana to official few ya banya da kuma ko mi ya dan ade be pana mi ya ta bere bolo mi wona be ajram ka shaka ika ya shak mi ka aka bi de mi ya pa ko ba o fa tayo +233 242670 yo mia ai motivational message Leo Tolstoy ikanya philosopher Tolstoy people try to do all sorts of clever and difficult things to improve life instead of the simplest, easiest thing, refusing to participate in activities that make life bad. Leo Tolstoy, that's how we start our show. Today, this is a Benny Bad TV's morning show. The morning edition of our show begins. And there's a philosopher, a sage, a thinker, a wise man, a genius, Leo. And he says, people try to do all sorts of clever and difficult things to improve life instead of the simplest, easiest thing, refusing to participate in activities that make life bad. So, clever things, intelligent things, bringing people, inventing things, bringing up stuff, and doing all the difficult breakthroughs. But they forget to do the very simple things, the easiest things. And the simplest and easiest thing here we're talking about is refusing to participate in activities that make life bad. So, what activities make life bad? Talk, association, friendship, anger, resentment, regressive, repressive activities and actions that do not make us do well. Los dos story bloñare ko jejana mi TV oji. Aji gere na maka bore amoru ko chinaji ano musasan clipo won ano ta won ka ya wo fike ya ma to be fike yo ko gala peto amu yo kenya kikiklo ye ko mi funaro chino amu yo kenya mu ble to ke kake amu yo kra bobo ke kake ikenya mi yo kana na me patbe sasana mi ngono enya afu mahia wo afu kama fike malo edakami dende tukara vivivu na mi mapona etana be kano me miale tajigera menye kan wo na shirika afi inarengo menye gaklichuo wo na shirika afi inarengo debe ayingola gbemedi vivivi yo ko kanala dokuna jipogari awo vivivi yo jababa na wo edegba jababa na ba o de chochi menye ga bobna la million de camino agbo afi abe tujibo ho yedo yamna tujibo ho ayi bana plani ene bilu ka ga do show de nke akukeliara ko ano chom vivivi kashako alle de para ano hongore ke ma mo nyum toto bo afi no tambu tuji bo honchia jigera nka bicho ke mi plana klibe ko ke miala afi nyatum ko miawe nyam te holo wowe ba tonami de wowe na ba mi kata wona ga yo ke ko je mi ata wala imbaji leo ye bloya no nyala ga onye no nyala ga ton onye e ba no nya de to hayi ko ye bi be mi akoje ba ko me je ko me vivi bebe o je ma plan ka tu ko aplo kwa ma de son que el plan ba ko afia de son la ji ka ko kata ko bai fifie na zo ga ko le jijo afi school pon ko de suku arabe onu be we no bro mele e pe we no bro no we nye mi avele chiaji mi ave wo ma mo kata mi ha na mo be alai ma chwe made nunya ike leo kodare tua mana mienya toni ye nya mia prombio mia zorango mia apo nya jo ka chi mia ponto malo nya jo ka le mia onto mafia mia jo ma cho ovd.com donc ujiba atema check up le yi shai na yo ma yi shai ma cho Siana yo mai shai na wana mo choga ala ba me hon ya ya yo me ko fi la cho enya la cho fi bia ha ko nsha we kana ba ya ko na la ya mo ko cheka ka pli ne ba ya pre mi anchi atoro mi wona ha cheka ka pli ala ba mia apole ke mia we do yo mi get a ovd.com. NDC chairman emphasizes governance and accountability. NDC chairman emphasizes governance and accountability. So mako mauto abavito kule onchi maro lefia ya mako lefia kwa magakile kabaro yoga ya amuganto mako NDC kata for Nola Olafia, but Tokyo the regional secretary, the NDC, and CSO, Civil Service Organization, so called Mamugantoma, who Batokade, so Yamalafuma, and big boost NDC office with vehicle donation. You may pick up at a Pomafuma, you can pick up, you go to the Tarona, whole central NDC, whole central, which is now a Chantom NDC, Yaba member of parliament, and now, Ntuame, NDC will go, though. Aquifer development takes center stage a job, but to her regular Aquifer Fio, no, but to her, Nyau, to Robo, or now you go Jim of Malone, and Yao Pelafma, Ugata Dogona, I'm glad that then you have NDC a job. I can say fight, Galamsey fight, losing battle, coalition wons. Galamsey, punya tuma bahoshi pentru care avau Galifia, Ghana coalition against Galamsey, Obuncho, Obunjira, Galamsey, do Jira Pova, you for Putungala, Maboko, Chodaditonchi. Edgar Hills, Mohammed's big push, and UN victory. Deputy Regional Secretary for the NDC, Ika Ganya, Acting Regional Secretary, Bright Edgar. Exim Bank of Original Boss, Iha, Puncho, Edgar Hills, Mohammed's big push, and UN victory. Bright Kwashier, the acting Volta Regional Secretary of the NDC, has praised John Dramani Mohammed's administration for its remarkable achievements in the Volta region, particularly the Big Push Initiative and the UN victory. The Big Push Initiative, a $10 billion infrastructure program, aims to address Ghana's road and development deficits. The project includes the development of key roads such as the Timboko Road, the Nuaflao, Agaveji Veta, Metricasa Road, and Bedway Town roads, among others. According to again, these projects will improve traffic flow, ease commuting, and boost economic activity across the Volta region. The initiative is also expected to create jobs and stimulate local economies, bringing much needed relief to the people of the Volta region. All right, I guess Ghana's recent victory in the UN, securing a historic resolution to support its bid for reparatory justice, is also expected to attract foreign investment and revenue from heritage tourism. Again, commended Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa for his role in securing the UN resolution. This milestone is a testament to President Mohammed's diplomatic prowess and commitment to promoting African interests in the global state. Nyagbarema dojo goma about heritage tourism. Iganye miapo togu yo kwezo aboplo America le petatu goma wato troba le moja kacha didima in heritage tourism when iga the future age global to go plan to marco that when governs Abuja Kenya Rose Minister big push project that come out to voter more de to male go chuati ko kakakawa to rapla which casa plato gafeji mokata ojime and the president is commended by a deputy regional secretary of the NDC. All right, mi gana mi akon to mi akpo nyaka nyayo kamile mi akon to me. Aquifer development takes a center stage in whole. So there's a story that a crucial meeting held between the Aquifer traditional chiefs and council members and the member of parliament yesterday. Discussions focused on areas including youth employment, healthcare, upgrades, plans for the Aquifer STEM school, and providing potable water for the community. Aquifer NDC regional professor takpe ame ila coba ila coma ke so takpe ame ila edne Central constituency those another training story. And to chairman for the NDC chairman emphasizes governance and accountability. The regional chairman of the NDC, Comrade Mato Agbavito, has underscored the importance of governance, accountability, and development in meeting the progressive civil society organizations, CSOs, at the regional secretariat. And according to Comrade Agbavito, the discussion was productive and forward-looking, focusing on issues critical to the well-being of the people. The meeting provided an opportunity for the regional chairman to interact closely with the CSOs, exchange ideas, and listen to their perspectives on how to collectively strengthen systems and better serve the people. Comrade Agbavito emphasized that government must remain open, inclusive, and responsive, highlighting the crucial role of CSOs in deepening transparency and amplifying the voice of the citizen. The regional chairman also was joined by colleagues at the secretariat, including the acting regional secretary and the vice chairman, the regional treasurer, and the deputy organizer, whose presence enriched the engagement. The discussion centered on building trust and promoting progress through engagement. That's all you can buy. When I got a whole regional secretariat na NDC in Kenya wana Agbavito against Manola na who Volta region kata yaba chichina nyaba who Volta region amuganto me Volta region chairman Comrade Mata Agbavito do bukula do bukata Kenya chiru do ho yoko wana do chiru ba chiru jo blono be fifia kwanta o nyande potutu gasa sara dudung bela gacho choko de do yo ke oberka na bawo ma ana ngoi na ba de nya pamuga ndonga iji blobe enya la kala ko be nya te potutu na no to ro kata to me ameka pu romani enya regional deputy regional chairman and all the big boys regional organizer but kata no wafia but yare onye you never post stories of that either wholewedid.com I'll flow into details. All right, yeah, Troy, me akoya jojo balo man ya ide Ghana kata logo to nyako nkawe ya nya jojo yo kala Ghana ron buji man yo kata makhlama yo ya jojo balo pa banto manyaw atakbo le ko yi activity le Facebook ta yi da ko yi activity le Facebook alo na back bo na jojo kala afumada na yi da ko yi activity ke japo na nye ndiona hala ko yi activity gara ndiona ji la ko yi activity na check up lo Tony McBoy kwa inti wona Tony McBoy kwa inti wona ke la ko yi activity alo ko yi activity kwa inti wona ke Tony McBoy le tadena enye ya ji yi ida ko yi activity the Facebook aka alo na do susu aglona na de wo mchocho anamanya manye mikanya utausucho yapo na uchi na da mwadeli ke na choka pere mianchi we miawe ga do ya ha nyo mile toji be miaso tugatolo minye isada na da ye ya roli ya chokpere nchina me miawo na ga nyo wu ha fine you can do that to us ya be a phone ya yoma +22242600773 is the number ka ni ba kene mianchi akpo fi ke mi kulu ka ibna gara woto na nya gara kuma be bona ko technical be tale bona poli chimfuga hosta ko be mbati vya lema be chimfuga hosta la ya ba do fuga hosta ko be mbati gara mianchi na pomi na cheka kule nyondo hacho kata yo kala wonom ala be nya ko le ke nya pare mo ko mbati bi di la kama ko shaka le multi tv de satellite o mi akosa le Togo, o mi asen ko amo TV, o mi akosa le Tula Same, o mi akosa le Kege, o mi akosa la Hila Konji ke seme bada graf mo kata mo yo na mchofuma. O mi akosa le Nive, Togo Nive, Ghana Nive, o mi akosa le photo mo na kokwe, o mi akosa la Delta la Shibi, Ghana kwa shakpa. Fi ka banya le Khojina mo le o mi TV bako. Ya ko le fuma o mi akosa. fika fun mukokoyole kwa mumiako. All right, let's go to the headlines. Let's go to the headlines. The Daily Banner. Daily Banner. The Daily Banner. Independent, honest, credible. Tuesday, March 31, 2026. At special orientation for female MMDCs, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim tasks women leaders to act as change agents to boost inclusive local governance. Tamagbo, Minister for Local Government and Chieftains in Religious Affairs, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim Elefia, at a special orientation for female MMDCs. Okay, at a special orientation for female MMDCs, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim tasks women leaders to act as change agents to boost inclusive local governance. We have that here. All right. Young MMDC or district chief executive, so Amuganto Mafia, Omato, the young mom Fion the Fia, Southton, Victoria Jakulu, Northton, Victoria, Yawa, Amafaji, Do, Black Amo, Amaga, Amaton Yawa, young Mokan. This is La Fiesta. We hope you have been there. You have been there because Achiba must feedback from Kawe, Egypt, Torabana Manyamu, the Mamatado. So, but Dubano, Yawato, Dubano, Victoria, Mamaga, Amon District. Amon District. All right. Honorable Rita Adolesowa champions capacity building for female MMDCs. Okay, Tamako, Honorable Rita Adolesowa Lafia, but you know, Fiam MMDCs. Yamaya MMDCs, Munyan Chudong, Munan Conchudong. Uka among Yawado, Victoria Yawado, Victoria Jacochicha, Chichio, Chicha, Ojijo, Onye, Da Banya governance studies over local governance over strong public policy, development studies, political science, law, economics, new opportunity, go strong. So then Dole Shwago Colomba, what was filmed MMDC, that's good. They ran away from India. Go camera, go all of it. All right, digitalization and necessity for Africa's survival and prosperity. Dr. Maumia, digitalization expert, digitalization advocate. Dr. Mahamudu Baumia, former Vice President of Ghana, flag bearer of the NPP, but Kachachana Mo Shamo, Fung Mubajao, Fung Blacopitao, Blamokata, no Kachachama Roswang Besoso, and he had Africa Congo. Tension mounts in Salman as residents petition President Lance Minister of Illegal Mining. Tension mounts in Salman as residents petition President Lance Minister of Illegal Mining. To Salman, when you are here, when you are regime, Salman Toma, Ella, Cocola, Obobloma, Cocola, Connector, Salman Toma Tokata, who petition President Lance Minister over water. Tension mounts in Salman as residents petition President Lance Minister over illegal money. Okay, Salman Toma, where Bantoshika, Aluga, say more now, you got Jim Afmana over here to Cocola. We need your attention in Salman. All right, go get the paper. I understand what that's all about. All right, the Hawk newspaper, quick one. Apostolic Church scraps bride kiss tradition. Young Warima, baby Galarima, Tobu Bona, Pariara, Lopula, Kutuma, Lefia, Apostolic, Apostolo, Ghana, Kata, Apostolic Church, Ghana, Oklomba, you may kiss your bride is banned. You may kiss your bride is banned. Tobu, you better stop that in our church, man. Apostolic Church, NLA boss demands 84% pay rise, $6,000 monthly rent on top. Oh, NLA boss demands pay rise, $6,000 monthly rent on top. Hey, Mohammed Abdul Salam, National Lottery Authority, to Patamagafia, Bunkma, Padado Baby Balo, Abba, Lotaragat Gine, Daniel million Akbala Fara Kabmela, Locho, million, Blanivo, and a corporation. Then CD Lofara Kanivo for Tuanocho, CD Blanivo, and a corporation. Blanivo and the Lanofarm, each of our corporal of Akuponchi. Na work $6,000 now. $6,000. That is almost 70,000 Ghana cedis. Monthly rents 70 cedis, 700 million. Can do all of a plaga. Don't you na ye jim sha jim nya chok ye bo of a tway. NLA boss demands 84% pay rise, $6,000 monthly rent on top. Bali akpɔmi le agbalẽ ma fuma o do wu blɔ o le tsitsi me ke gbɔle ke me. Hey, you better pay me well. Mohammed Abdul Salam enye loto tso dɔwɔƒea ƒe dɔmega. $6,000 monthly pay. Loke 70,000 CD equivalent now every month for rent. Man, hotel omona. Gunmen guarding miners busted in Subri forest raid. Bariaro le turashi. O le turashi chop bum de ganze bulonchi. Allo toba bahoshin bulonchi. Kapo turarashi. O valo lo Subri intome. Subri nyaya etagbala mato ko bombe to ko bravo control yoshi enya. Mahama to West, respect our LGBTQ laws. Mahaba ya hutu ko logo to barobu nyabasa yo kami ore bototo manusamchi. John Dramani Mahama. Ghana to ko bravo ga hey yo wori komi pa bibumiro. Mchu do mchupa. No, do don't go. No better na chi back pe. Anchito. They are bumi. So you better respect our law. Simple as that. ECG switches off power in Accra, April 8 to 17 for average. ECG switches off power in Accra, April 8 to 17 for average. Paper de encouragement ya blomale ya bloma ye ECG dobro. Oba jingu ya bona pon kekenya. They may do is that picnic to go well, Kuragbe. Kaka, you know, Koshaka Bonama, Uju Chikila Kiravanga, ECG, Jokarido Baba, Yojibogao, or a cab, or a cow, Chibla, one more, like Kim Toman. How for you? Daybreak. Freight forward Islam Finance Ministry over illegal AI customs system. Freight forward Islam Finance Ministry over illegal AI customs system. Amo yo kenya baklela o cho betatu gome ble melishi chala o pom kumere chilu do pe ke kona me batanya ji Ministry of Finance ba mo amora ye yo ko cho papa cho le po hom yoshi ma do myo amora ye yo ke o ga ba cho de tu me fia ba yo kono cho gao bung na yo no ke de la ma yo ji de ku you better change that. Fuel prices surge. Petrol hits 13.3. Petrol hits 13.3. GHC 7.1. Fuel prices surge. Petrol hits 13.3. Now, diesel, fuel price surge. Petrol hits 13.3 cedis, diesel 17.10 ahead of April window. That beautiful over over Amibashijige Kingdom. Anti-gay bill not Ghana's priority, Mahama. Anti-gay bill not Ghana's priority, Mahama. Say kecha chitrere miapwe bododo wanu semuchi Mahama be mwenye yefwe daroji fio. Anti-gay bill not Ghana's priority, Mahama. Anti-gay bill not Ghana's priority. Baba Betty, say more you know, 7 sugar don't you go. Do 7 yoga don't you? No, many but Darojin Fio is no. Many money but Darojin Fio, Mba Bolio, the bell, Toto, the bell. All right, 4 nap to Vanquanta South conflict. Ola moment Nadal and Patat South. Enjoy Yamaka and Patato of Banyaklo Mimil. All right, Miaiji, the dispatch. The dispatch. Julius Debra, the power behind Mahama Global Triumph on reparations. Agbanacho Julius Debra Kenya to Dominic Pana Donana Beto Wolao to Dora where they did not get Nakatago. You know what Tataque Mahama Matataji Mafia. Banabe Julius Debra Mobana Chidudu John Rowan Mavai or America to come. Alabe no se alo no chachi sere alo no diblo mesane diblo obe a mesi chacha ekeji l'Africa bagbema enyan rodon kakake gajo ewo julo Debra no gba nya ro nya this you sure sir amoba foreign affairs minister Joy Kabayi again right again that kuno kuje to ba won tabal ba in securing this resolution. Ababi tobe that when a president. Fifia be bayaga go Julo Debra. In Kenya na moruma vote do jijega. Na Africa kata globo do mo de won atum Africa to go the poporo mo jonya de to mo ba that's na Mahamori do igrafuma. So please let's stop this kind of thing. We should be serious. Customs AI rakes in millions a day. Revenue projected to increase with full rollout. Ta jiro do peke kona balele ajoga hona betagba la betagba johola o kwenya o le fia bokombe gavavanto amaka no tutela fia mchuke ye konya Anthony Kwesi Sapon ikenye Ghana Revenue Authority toko domaga obobo fia manya mega bobo no we mechu tikiti no omo don fi okwe agba boga den kwa game agba pechu fu agba kapon bi onye fi e pone ni la gbashi bagbo me ke la gbashi ko pipipipipi ko chu tikiti no omo don kwe ojo ga home na na ga banto bari kenya domaga le GR Ghana Revenue Authority drew ajoga hodo kwa domaga Kwesi Sapon Anthony Kwesi Sapon yenye le fia oba yoga on Nigeria amo go plumber ga home ka go sma. We cannot confuse participation with responsibility, Dr. Callistus Mahama. We cannot confuse participation with responsibility, Dr. Callistus Mahama. Miapo to go prolo banajila ga Callistus Mahama, Dr. Callistus Mahama, Ganya Grafia. Yo, Marakumata, Mufuganayo, participate. We don't know what you're talking about. All right, Ahmadiyya leader comments Haruna Idrisu's leadership style. Ahmadiyya, Togo Nunolagan, you know what I'm Haruna Idrisu, but Haruna Idrisu de Paria, Dom Toalepo, Romeo, Toma, Ajabanto, Making Boom, the Morvi, Wahab, Adam, I should think so. Yeah, that's the head of the Ahmadiyya mission in Ghana. Morvi, Wahab, Adam. All right, the Inquisitor, illegal mining at Salma residents petition JM Buya. Illegal mining at Salma residents petition JM Buya. All right, Salma, Mutomato, where Bane, Umno, to Kokola. You can GBB de Defiak Bane, Ye Panya Lefia, we can say Jim Lemtome, Mayuji Damo. Local government ministry holds special orientation for female MMDCs. Local government ministry holds special orientation for female MMDCs. Yo Nyogyo Kanye municipal district chief executives open on Tata Jamafia. But you might call him a. All right. Okay, Mama point Kate Babana live here. Kate Babana, Doma Hinkro are from Plains South. And of course, the Minister of Local Government. All right, MPA intensifies Stay Back, Stay Safe campaign in the region. MPA intensifies Stay Back, Stay Safe campaign in the region. All right, so that's that. National Petroleum Authority wrote up a petrol minyan for Nyara Lefia. Kumasi City 2026 marathon launch. Okay. Dufufu will be a jiga Kumasi Toma Lefia Namaji. All right, the Daily Searchlight. Governors Agboja hot over fourth estate expose. Mahama orders full probe into Big Bush contract. Allegations, orders road ministers to submit response. Well, make Bob governors Agbojano Tatarafia, Lakutume, Uncle Nyanya, people to Cocola Laha, O Tefafana Refia, Pirako. No boss, please don't hang me or just a little cane, please. Governor Agbojano and Tatarafio, you for firm Mobasu cartoon. My boy, you want chop all the research food? Me got go to Cocola now that I hung at the young cookie for Femia Lefia. The cattle over hey. The Julia or the Caribbean do to Gakata to but the Miarabia Brigata. But I never know when Madu Yara got on. Okay, go and get the daily satellite. Good propaganda this morning. All right, security forces arrest 24 in Bono sweep seize weapons, cash. Badaro le fiana pokum mambrabo bodo kahama. Oku bamana amagbato de karaka blava for le borom to and kill. Security forces arrest 24 in Bono sweep seize weapons, cash. Badaro le fiolo turashi for 2 people torashi for CPP act to reorganize, return to compromise roots. CPP Kwame Kuma Party Convention, People's Party, newspaper. I have for unknown North residents Jerry alleged unlawful disappointment. I have for unknown residents Jerry alleged unlawful disposition of community mining concession. All right, all these things we have them on the set line. These are the archives. The archives. May the archives. Elembele Galamsey, yes, invade Adamus concession, 5 arrested at Salman. Okay, Elembele Tome Galamsey, Woro Ogare, Adamus, Tokwe, Anibame, over Galasium, the Matabalamo Maton, Le Salman, all right, petrol to sell at 13.3, diesel 17.1 as MPA increases fuel price. Floor for April. Petrol to sell at 13.3, diesel 17.7 as MPA increases fuel price. Floor for April. That be the go. Zero double economy, Joe, a moment, me over Kajaki will want to petrol jacket 13.3 per gallon, diesel 17.1 per gallon. That's not good, please. Please. Mahama. Please. Nogobo Chiefs rubbish Joyce Jijo over false claims against Fifi Kwete. Nogobo Chiefs rubbish Joyce Jijo over false claims against Fifi Kwete. Nogobo Fiao Lefia Togbi, on comment jamu. But Joyce, Jijo Mensa, the Google Fiabo Bona, Joyce, but Yamo Bon and Joe Fifi with a jar, Susuma Yamo, rubbish. Ketu North MP exposes partisan ex-agri director despite attempts to gag him at PAC. Ketu North MP exposes partisan ex-agri director despite attempts to gag him at PAC. Adam Agbana Watatalefia, Ghana, the Agric Domagaho, Agric ex-agri director, the PAC, never said Yankwana by Chapman, Banamponya the archives. Free Zones Authority wraps up Heritage Month with vibrant display. Okay, Free Zone Authority dog Domavioma Udowaro Choikabayo Heritage you are not die Heritage Month. But you went to a Garapukishi. Da between a Heritage Month. Between a Heritage Month, Oko one a job when I talk about it, go get the archives. All right, the Inquisitor, the National Enquirer. Sorry, let's go to the National Enquirer. The National Enquirer. NPA intensifies Stay Back, Stay Safe campaign in the Eastern region to address fuel siphoning. Oh, like seriously? NPA intensifies Stay Back, Stay Safe campaign in the Eastern region to address fuel siphoning. The Eastern region, the Japan Tome, Chirudobe Bona Jo, Momemioba, and Yao Chilagarago, Mashawan of woman, Alaba, on the Genium, Alaba, Omifim, fuel siphoning, Omifim. I don't understand. Newspaper, headlines will come and use headlines that are reflective and simple to understand, reasonable enough. From Nkrumah to Mahama, Deborah links Ghana's legacy to global leadership. All right, Deborah, Chief of Staff to Domaga Kona to Dolo Katapete, where Namaka Mafia. I go to Nkrumah, Chief Kakawaro Mahama, Miale Abo. Okay, Yoko declares Council of State member wanted. Mako Komiga Tanku Gabriel Tanku Komiga Atuple Bono Tatafia. Ikenya Muganto Mopwe Adandola Gan Council of State member Komiga not good day for you. O Iyoko boss Raymond Archer, Black Komiga on Matadafia. Iyoko boss Raymond Archer, Komiga him. But he refused the accusation. Oba Blomba Komika Atuple, Blashide Shika Garum, Ikanya Duga. Atuple, you shut up. Ghana's Economic and Organized Crime Office has declared Gabriel Danko Komika Atuple, a member of the Council of State, wanted in connection with an ongoing investigation into an alleged 57.7 million Ghana cedis gold fraud scheme. Ela Shikafinyai, Oba Komiga Gabriel Komiga Double Bashi, Le Shikafisi, Warna de Kamakakle. In a news release dated March 30, Yoko said Dr. Kwamiga Tople, who is also the owner of the Sessi Eden Company Limited, is being sought to assist with investigations into suspected offenses, including defrauding by fraud practices and money laundering. The case, according to Iyoko, stems from the All right, and Takomika to doctor. All right, Joe. Dr. Komiga to play. You are wanted by Iyoko. Go and answer before your name spells further, you go to jail. Ghana's next big reform should be migration. Ghana's next big reform should be migration. Serene Insurance boosts Black Stars World Cup campaign with 22 million Ghana cedi support. Serene Insurance will domaga tata jamafia. Messi na wa bomb on tata jamafia. Wo better World Cup with 2 million World Cup. Gawa friendly match over Black Stars alumni 2 million. Attention. Okay, New York then Reverend Mrs. Rose Asomeni celebrated Triumph Assembly of God. New York then Reverend Mrs. Rose Asomeni celebrated at Triumph Assemblies of God. The Triumph Assemblies of God. Congratulations, Lady Reverend Mrs. Jelly Guide. Bogoso Community backs Heath Goldfields. 3 confirmed dead, 20 rescued. Complete Agenda 101 projects. Nana to Mahama. Nana do dankwa kufuado bono matata afia yele bana bag banto di glaja. Nana go brother mama be who Agenda 101 projects on chi. This is a good call. But blonga NDC to attention. Then you that by Agenda 101 hospital ma municipal hospital. Complete the projects and stop cutting salt for chamber and hall chiefs compounds. Stop those small brain things. Complete the projects to cover guy. Now want to testify virtually. Now one you can the Shikaya drama. You can watch all now one I'm now one go as now one by to look at daily guide over now one bravo that the port from Tafia Sunji to Bolafiano Pumpi plan no the MMDC's drill boreholes at 100k each, MP reveals. MMDC's drill boreholes at 100k each. Over MMDC's municipal district metropolitan municipal district executives or 100,000 Ghana cedi Concord borehole. Borehole can't on Vincent Equator, SFR is the one who's saying this. Do people think so? How people? Run this money. Give solution to water. Solve water problem. Solve the problem. Baho, you're the Baho, Chimelio, mechanized Baho, Papiamento, or 100 million, 100,000. Go down a private individual, cover the Kuniza Golako. All right, Fifia Maton Cooler, Chiwaka Mule, you down, Amaton. So far. The publisher. Prioritize Agenda 101 completion. Akufo-Addo tells Mama, I said, good call. Please listen. Mahama, please listen to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Complete the hospitals. NPA steps up anti-fuel siphoning campaign. Magbo God will help you down clone that if you have a plumber, I'm siphoning. I know if you have to do siphoning. I'm if you go on as you. Every time when you're going to you'll have a global nobody, not you'll look at. Someone used to petition government over Galamsey. Someone saw when you're if you're Galamsey, Jim Lao, Jim Bibawan and Samana. Federal Bank supports UG's laptop initiative. Okay, that's another Victoria story. Daily graphic Malefiawa. Well, I don't have daily graphic today. Interesting, what happened? Okay, maybe I'm going to be able to be on here. Me, no, Nadu Balomachum, no graphic gym, graphic Marco Chronicle. I'll end with a chronicle. Very well. Tanko. Hey, Tomato ban exposes Ghana shame. Nana Jomo Sapon. Allez, la fille, Nana Jomo Sapon. Tomato ban exposes Ghana shame. Power Bernami shame on tu ne peux me Burkina Faso to pashi olu tomato ogoro re Ghana chia. I don't permit. Tomato ban exposes Ghana shame. Nana Jomo Sapon. Afoko meets other MPP aspirants. Paul Afoko, kono tatalfia o Dogo MPP aspirant so. Ameko baba jembo yo ko post group MPP am o Dogo Afoko. Joy Kawai. Heath Goldfields has brought renewed hope to Prestia Obaso Group. All right. The Chronicle, Yokofunanye. Ajo baro mo juju tai. Mo ya pipire gara fumaba. Ika wo kodona mbagloro le kome. Alo le miape to come epema. Romans 12:16. But live in harmony with one another. Period. Live in harmony with one another. Two big stories here. Afoko meets other MPP aspirants. All the aspirants live in harmony. Heath Golfers has brought renewed hope to Prestia Obaso Group. Nkola, when back to the news review segment in Yatoni Makwai from a Butumility at Tongo Kanyana, one to should be added. I didn't remember no trouble. Aho, but that's a cover. Roma Chomia, my bed down, American, Banana Finium, Yakova. Achumo branda kwene ndo achukata maprechi ndo wana pa baby aba Tony Mangwenya ala
Go. Oh, what is that? Go, Joel.
Oh, very much. But I will let you go. Get boy. I too much toy. When you want to kill.
Oh,
the mother from the mother much to move. Come on, not go.
that another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to call for boy hour. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kuroma. Well, a Passy Coco for Yahoko Katara.
Well, when not go,
Vai, but I can use to go. In the big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiel, wait off here.
When you vola togo, you man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala kwakwe a gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Nina nemi ayi vola eva senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now tomaru le fuda now achita padaka ufuto makata male to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba Senda, Vola Heba Senda, Dr. Prosper de Beneva, come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye vo.
Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call you. I say, they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Mon Dieu, quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu, ah, mon Dieu. Quand on s'en fout, mon Dieu. This the way they see so. You know, be like they said the day before. Because of jealousy, oh, brother is killing brother because of money. I say, jealousy, oh. Because of jealousy, brother, no they trust brother again. Hey, this love where you see so, my brother, love no day again. Hey, brother no go trust him, brother. Sister no go fit trust his sister. Everything jealousy. Which kind life be this so? I'm an aquaba mene. Agba woto menya wone wo fa fo jojo ko jomole. Nuka ba menya wonye ya. Hey, dada vie de kawa wo mega value. Bo fo bile de fo five um. Dada vie um. Which kind life be this? Which kind life be this so? Hey, jealousy, oh. So jealousy every day, everywhere jealousy. Hey. Mon Dieu.
Fua me gonla, nek po ma bada batwe menya. Fua me na, nek po ma bada batwe. Fua me gon, nek po ma bada batwe menya la. Fua me na, nek po ma bada batwe. Punya mentoli khavi melak befuk bermula nama bola moji na bermadi cava obo umalona namo de utakwenya ba mavako gade le yegosi utakwenya ba mavako nundudu le obola. Fua me gon, nek po ma bada batoe. Ma va o susuba, ma jise mi jade no kukumula. Na mauleko, nyaka madunu ma tu kofela. Ma mano amasi, do banyawe sao. Fua me gon, nek po ma bada batoe. Fua me gonla, nek po ma bada batwe menya. Fua me na, nek po ma bada batwe. punya metoli khafi melak befuk bermulia nama pola moji na bermadi cava wobo umalona namo krola utakwenya ba mavaho gadele yewosi utakwenya ba mavaho nundudule yobola fuwa mena nekpo ma bada batoe mavaho susuba ma jimze mi jade no kukumula na moliko ya kama dunu matu khofa mama no amasi dopanya we sao fuwa me wonla nekpo ma bada batoe mava osusuba ma jise mi jade no kukumuse na moliko ya kama dunu matu khofa mama no amasi dopanya we sao fuwa me wonla nekpo ma bada batoe fuwa me nala nekpo ma bada batoe manya fuwa me na nekpo ma bada batoe fuwa me won nekpo ma bada batoe manya sewa fuwa me na nekpo ma bada batoe fuwa me wonla nekpo ma bada batoe manyela fuwa me nekpo ma bada batoe fuwa me nala nekpo ma bada batoe manya abla fuwa me nekpo ma bada batoe
Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe, va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way, is en balejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti mire giodo ne mi attende cucunolo fichiole ma we fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma fichiole e we fichiole ma we fichiole ma Adowa-me vana, fianfito pata, trozu pastolo. Adowa-me vana, agredato pata, trozu bokonolo. Oh mau. fike ole ye nu barabara ole cho yo jo bonu pomi pola bonu kakani gakemi fike ole ma we fike ole ma mbe fike ole ma Ficolema, Ficolema, ewe Ficolema. Qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe, va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way, et zambale jado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea ne mia tempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole o, ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole o, e we, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adoame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adoame vana ajedato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau Ficolé nu barabara ole cho yo jo bonu pomi pola bonu kakani gakemi Ficolé ma we ficolé ma mbe ficolé ma Ficolema, Ficolema, ewe Ficolema.
Yo, mi apun pola konami. When back to be playing Diona, oh, Yamajo Paji, Enyaji, Tony McBoy, Quatocaramiabo, Yagaramiapo, Yajo, Balo Catatan, Yapo Funoji, Ako, Nkawenya, and Yagalafma, Elamo, Major, Nayajo, Bano, Papa Banto, comment cham comme mie sana tututu le afimao da mia agare ayon hame akpobe nkawe le afima ndia ha. Okay, so me I got my joy online, man. My joy online. My joy online. Indeed, Agba. Otto Addo sacked. Otto Addo sacked. Onya Otto Addo. The Ghana Football Association. Where decision allo afoyo code. Otuado is a football coach. So the Ghana Football Association has announced the dismissal of Otto Addo, the head coach of the Ghana senior national team, the Black Stars. The former Borussia Dortmund assistant coach leaves his post following Ghana's defeat in both of their pre-World Cup friendly matches against Austria and Germany in March. That man, only Ghana football coach, Otto Addo. That's a big trending story there. Ghana abu ball abu wana yukata Ghana o ball yukata abu Ghana ball obu man bibi senakam crowd because Domahi always about Otto Addo, Madomota, Onya Otto Addo. That's a very big story we have over here. That they my joy online. You can get that one there. All right, Megako, Nana Cavallo, Macateracha. Mamopom, the politicians over Ogregia, politicians with Chimabel, Yamata, Ma Ajiba, Ma Anobano, Mopom, Vene, Onyana Manyakwa. Bao baroko me totro wogeta miawo ya be vasere gani plafan na politicians who so be blinko mia atore nyama chuchuko. All right, still on my joy online. Still on my joy, bigger my joy online. Otuado ya bome, you are sacked, you are fired. OMC's increase in fuel price at pumps. Oil sells petrol at 13.3 and diesel at 17.1. Bomokon Elikem Choma Boba Ogrejan Abu Ga Enyible Afan Alawe Mia Ajonyame. OMC's increase in fuel prices at pumps. Oil sells petrol at 13.3, diesel at 17.1. Oda Ganda Miba Ashiji. So some oil marketing companies have started increasing pump prices ahead of the scheduled April 1, 2026 adjustments under the price deregulation policy. One of the biggest players in the industry, GOIL, has announced a social media post that petrol has increased from 12.24 cedis to 13.3 per liter, while diesel has risen from 15.69 to 17.10 per liter. So that's another story. Over Joyke Bona, Udadagre Amiji. True, Goyle Bako Budarabiaji. Oh, Mia Pagavia. Elikem will help me to answer these questions. Council of State member demands Yoko Boss apologize. Council of State member demands Yoko Boss apologize or face lawsuit, petitions Marva for dismissal. Council of State member demands Yoko Boss apologize or face lawsuit, petitions Marva for dismissal. Atople akwam la fiaro. Tanko komiga atople tanko ya kwam la fia. Ka remoacha enye kama ke ido e kle fia. A major institutional confrontation has erupted over the Volta regional representative on the Council of State, Gabriel TKA Kwame Atople, issued a stern and detailed account accusing the leadership of the Economic and Organized Crime Office of abuse of power, defiance of a court ruling, and reputational harm. In a strongly worded statement dated March 30, 2026, Kwame Ga Atople demanded that IOCO's acting Executive Director Raymond Acha issue an immediate public apology or face legal action. In addition, the Council of State member has also petitioned President John Mahama to dismiss both Acha and his deputy over what he describes as persistent abuse of office. Kwame Ga Atople traces the origins of the dispute to November 25, when IOCO initiated an investigation into Sesi Eden Company Limited, a company he, Kwame Ga Atople, founded with allegations of defrauding by false pretenses and money laundering linked to commercial transactions with JG Resources Limited. On November 19, 2025, IOCO formally requested the company's managing director to appear before the agency and produce documentation including contracts, proof of payments, and evidence of gold supplied under the agreement. The following day, March 30, 2025, IOCO escalated the matter by ordering the freezing of the company's bank accounts, citing powers under the IOCO Act. Financial institutions were directed to halt all withdrawals on their accounts, pending the outcome of the investigation. Kwame Ga Atople maintains that his company fully complied with all requests. Legal representatives submitted the required documents with official acknowledgement on and on and on. Kwame Ga Atople, Raymond Acha Onyafia, Choueke Vaya Monobo, Kwame Ga Atople, Danko, Black Raymond Acha, Bebiento, Alaba Raymond Acha, Banco Blem, Raymond Acha, acting director and IOCO Banco Blem. Nke joke mana joke kwa yo company against them ike domaganye Atople tanko awu shika sichacha wona do ikenye mfiti over defrauding by false pretenses. Na hogala mashabe na no gade bo ngogo we de bitama le money laundering anu galong le atone tende kavio le bo fu Betatu commotion when yai. Atople hey, in a Jamia woman, a Bensel Yoshita, a Mobile ship, Kashakai, Kacharu, Boji, Magatara cow. Kaka, you only go you got who caught them, but Kabato, some Malay, Kushibo, or Ship, Kaji. Akachakawaya, because of you could talk about Kaka, Tapu, the Vakabator with Tapu G, and Tapu, Blashira, Kam, own 50 who come, Mushi, basically, Katagono, Plateau. Tanko Banko Bay, remember Coco die, Yinanam, Remo Acha, to a Panayamba, Woman de Puna Kata, Jokata so. Keba, Plaga Blow, the Pomala Kalako, to come and did that play Chimo, your parent did a chant or other, Loko, to me, Covado, Bashima, Lunia Tomaga, Yoko, Sampo, Yuban Blame. This is bad. This is bad. All right. So that is that. Mia Azorango, too watery, too risky. Why Ghanaian trucks prefer Burkina Faso tomatoes? Too watery, too risky. Why Ghanaians traders prefer Burkina Faso? There's a story here on My Joy Online. There's a story on My Joy Online. All right. Too watery, too risky. Why Ghanaian traders prefer Burkina Faso tomatoes? Tomato traders in Ghana say poor quality and high post-harvest losses are forcing them to rely on imports from Burkina Faso tomato, even as a fresh export ban from the Sahelian country disrupts supply. All right. President of the Tomato Importers Association, Eric Tufo, said locally produced tomatoes often fail to meet traders' demands due to their short shelf life. I'm quoting him. The Ghanaian tomato was too watery, and when you travel with it, it doesn't take long for it to deteriorate, he said. Oh yeah, I should go there with tomato. Tomato already made Ghana to call them tomato. What are you talking about? All right, so la machichi mo amado chuchu biara hoga alaba makbe nyambe daka una me american le miabo dana ho the 8:30. I go for a short break and I bring in Elikam. no cool man. Me bona. All right. Over Ghana over tomato chichala over habo bonola 24 Eric 24 boblome Ghana tomato chi kono chochon yo. Let you better to come and better than a curve. Tomato kata rolo entayo tomato chi to Burkina Faso to Comoro. Oh, really? So bakakbe Ghana tomato was with you. Other match I told me every man. I will feel back with the issue. Came with the issue and came your church. You find back to open up Burkina Faso in back. We are eager tomato quick a family Burkina Faso. Open in the Ghana in Bajia. So we're going to that conversation. All right. Me I get a city online, very brief one, and I'll go for a break. City. GFS Sachs Otto Ado. Your big story Kalefiani Otto Ado Panyanya. GFA Ghana Football Association Ghana Katago Abo Bobo Domagaonia Otto Ado. Ghana Ghana quite friendly man for me. I didn't put up about $5 million. My invested plan is called Blaster Bonovac. You will calculate of Serene Insurance 2 million Ghana cedis, 10 million Ghana cedi cover and all that. And you are not paid. Go home. All right. Halt AI system deployment at Ghana Sports Abua to GRA. Okay. I'm okay. Many chichachaman. I'm okay for them to na me akpao many japo where habo Jiruba the Open Ponapakana, the Ministry of Finance, but hey, Funo Major Gao, at your calculating a ticket chunamia, O Katamle Kajapa, me, Chiari Boss Kafun, Sapon, Berton, Kapapa, Wakatama, Kaji, Oyokamo, Nyapura Gamonchi, Jiruga Homaka, the Miaka Porto. All right, Ghana City outlook at risk if reforms lose momentum. Ghana City's outlook at risk if reforms lose momentum. By Ghana, City, SSM, Bones Repeta, Mogata, Nicho, Apache Boyan, Nana Kamajo, Moja, Ashu, means the word joy Bona, I mean, Pashiji. You better watch out. Apologize for face legal action. Council of State member Kwamiga Tople to Iyoko. Kwamiga Tople, Tanko, apologize. Raymond Acha, apologize. Okay. Ghana not 100% ready for World Cup sports minister. Oh, sports minister got Adams. Ghana mother, World Cup here. Kofi Adams, progress made, but Ghana sports needs more support. Kofi Adams, but me going to like Ghana Papo. Body Abugo, but America World Cup. We are not ready, man. Evidence destroyed. GHIE slams NADMO over Newtown rubble clearance. Evidence destroyed. NADMO Jupodobeka Chonade Natupata Unchi Boblomba and came over Newtown Jibomulejo. NADMO Torova, Ogulomo Kataka. You do and Yama hey, Mammy on the we have destroyed charge them. It's a criminal offense, destruction of everything. Charge them. Don't they know what they are doing? Over as a tradition, we must wait for American judiciary to decide. Mahama. To couple Mahama got them move for it. Move for it. America. We went to Hogaba Ghana. La passes some of our drew in America to call judges. No matter the courts, the bomb made the court for America, like Mama anti-LGBTQ plus bill not priority will be handled democratically. Mama but Dr. Manusam for sake, Machameli Dungono war. Many man you were Jimsia, whom will is I owe. Mass Suminaswe, Blow, you chokawi, no force me. Mahama. Government to amend Public Procurement Act to limit sole sourcing. Do come John Dramani Magoblombe, American, who do our blah blah blah, American who do our blah, Yoshirogeti, you boga in a sebo, our Otafobuma, Echo Berene, Kwame, Calvins, Agojabe, Wakontana Dua, Dosha Dokan of Konamu to Bomwe, and you bring a
hold on to be at Donny McGuire Miaplom, +2332426707773. A number I go to Nazanko Dosha Papri. Big again Yauman, Jojo Makaraka Hando, Elegant, Chome, Garage.
Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh et glolo. Ma way is jado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea ne miatempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole o, ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole o, e we, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adoame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adoame vana aggedato pata trozu boconolo Oh mau Ficole unu baramada yo le cho yo jo bon pomi Pola bonu kakani gakemi Ficole ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma Ficole ma, ah, ficole ma, ewe, ficole ma. Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh et glolo. mawe ezangbalejado aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea le miatempolo mi jagole jio mi antominya oh mawe mi antominya eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo fichiole o ma we fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma fichiole o e we fichiole ma we fichiole ma adoua me vana fianfito pata trozo pastolo adoua me vana aggedato pata trozo boconolo oh mau fichiole e un baramana e le gioie io buon pola bonu kakani gakemi fichiole ma we fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma fichiole ma ah fichiole ma ewe fichiole ma
Yo, nyapa mpola pana mi abale ke mi wona kaklim la wona baya ke dana ku nyaaw ma jojo me nyaaw jo sa ke anya plali ke chome wo ile mi akwo ali kan wezo
yo ape yo le doji mari to bele e ngati bi pola kata e ti se dia ko ko dale e ngati bi bele yo se ngati to ya wele doji
yo akpe mi dakpe no akpe le ndisi todo ma wa fia o ba we banye bere bulages ta o ma o vava o mfafia o ma ku to ta o mere no ana na ba ya bona tu tem ta mi dakpe no akpe kala ke o mi aso tu bi bien basi tale kule sami je ya bo ke ya te wa jolo. All right. Ban on tomato exports. Traders demand urgent government action. Enya banto. Dometonya meto chichawe play. We blow. Domenya ban. Over traders say the surge in tomato pricing is already affecting sales, with many households cutting back on consumption or turning to alternative ingredients. Some retailers report that the cost of a crate of tomatoes has more than doubled in recent weeks, making it increasingly difficult to maintain stable prices for customers. Ta nyapato ni agofia ege ya owe tomato bashi jeji oho ala ba tomato zana o babajembe yuma tomato zago nanye mbuwane liyosa do iti tomato se ya muti tomato nasa nyema banabo alternative ta yuma tomato by this time over the tomato bashi na no be 18 cities kakapia tomato bashi na 40 cities Chijamolinia, Enya Banto, Enya Kura Nyam Honorable.
Yes, sir.
Minister of Agriculture, Messi, that tomato passing when she go tomato for to go. I can't do the same, but I can't take it.
So, I bet, you will let it. Then you have to tell me that development look like Chile, Burkina Faso. Then you have to tell me that Ghana, you have raw tomatoes, we are Burkina Faso going to the tree. So, by the LFMia, and have a supply American Mafasico. And when you have a Ghana, then you have a demand for tomatoes, Blemawa, energy top. Definitely, the Hibahe, Mekale, supply possible. I make it all see who Jabba who the poor. Definitely, you are trying to value cash in. And then why increase price again. But I think that in the midst of the ban issues, we have a president, JDM, I engage Burkina Faso officials, whatever there's any way, we have to have some exceptions for maybe because of the relationship with Tuma. We are expecting the delegation all year, I will have a very fruitful discussion. Maybe at the end of the day, at least what to create space dynamic there, we are to have access to open tomato selling. But aside that, any ahenjua, the global nukunye, modern unami, alo nukunami, be we are touching me for me at top. As a country, I bow let me see fine, fertile and solely. Me and touching me at all at the tomato spray. Hey, what feed me? Then here, then no desert land. I make it all he came back in law, bohu and tomatoes below that. Ya crowded day. Yami aware, I'm never not depending on them. And the food talk, ake and kunami. The Belek in a good minister will 4 years to come. Like Ghana, I'm self-sufficient in the tomatoes production. For me, my prayers and hope in the and that I said a new plan I put into action, concrete, well-planned action. The man slogan or alumni just mere statement to at the end of the day, we have got real results where real outcomes where me have the edge journey. Me have okay, and we are enjoy the go who we have there and get in and have a Ghana self-sufficient in tomatoes production. The price of PG and go ma the kune asichala uchebe no make us an opportunity there because we ban it that yachewa ano asie ko ijibo sigo because unyago ke alternative de chemically ne ikaka yo poku avata yachewa wa price in abeleke he make outrageous profit to amid no body because at the end of the day, resulting to alternative means way. Yes, yeah, job. So maybe the tomato paste and go there. And you know what will happen there? Depending so much on tomato, either the tomato paste importation, fine. You can send more dollars, use more dollars to import tomato paste into the country. For me, aside issues yawa, and you have deliberate effort. Be MK Lejochole, Burkina Faso, tomatoes nyama. I will be government leadership. Will make concrete effort way. I ensure be Ghana we are not self-sufficient in tomatoes production. It's just that the minister actually can make poor. Then maybe probably a come here Gakene Olejia, and you go super. Never voter region, you go to Bogodi. At least if every region you have to have about so many acres of land, government are employed when it's the same way Burkina Faso. Yes, government commits resources them actually ready because Enyame is a major source of income to the economy. The government will take deliberate efforts. We are changing many ways again. We that's a slogan, slogans, we play Vivi, live services or super. At the end of the day, no one probably bad tariff. Then many lip service plus slogans where they're planting for food and job. Then 8 years down the line, I cater for some of these issues where because the slogans also lip services also. Yeah, for yeah, one village, one dam, open. Paluku Dam, the idea never support all year irrigation project where then even tomatoes production, energy, the north, that dam, I cater for a huge area. What's happening? Dam or general come, therefore to Gano. So as a country, like any go, there and we hold a GE. Oh, yeah, well, maybe have a lot of Africans where all a muzzle traveling just to farm. I pick tomatoes where I pay with it. Why is it that the government make deliberate effort with any army? Here employ number one or I want to Agrejano to one. No, we gradually change. We have a susu. But I'm sure the government is taking key. And like a whole industrialization, play play the value chain in agric any targeter. In sure I make efforts. Tomatoes production as the Deputy Agri Minister Blair, 4 years to Gambia was self-sufficient in tomatoes production. We are taking him by his way and Miller sure with the kind of leadership His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Hikover. Miller sure 4 years to come, even 2028, Pretoria, you have a result in some of these things were energy. The 2028 the Kitty project il est sure maybe no feedbacks don't be no result don't tangible result don't maybe at the end of the day we are going to yes Ghana this is what we have done or this is where we've gotten to Kakema gave us slogans where we have a super and more okay planting for food and job and Kitty and at the end of the day my backbone can go adeful Kake knowing my government knowing the leadership and ensure that I put words into action. Then to do the same as Kebo Dua, Ajeji. Then this issue of tomatoes, Bengawa, Yache, Mia, solution there. And as it allows me to global, you have a variety. I mean, you are not a unit on the Ghana to Zanzibar, Flexible, because at a point in time, some people have already open MP no Afifa with the Kuku president who have tomatoes because tomatoes are rotten in the farm. Even the road to transport them rational and very bad. That the video back at that time president instructs me okay. The buffer stop no setting, but I believe we are supplying the secondary social because we have a variety of feeder going. So make sure the government is taking care of that. The feedback here and another Ghana Toa and Kaba. Government I take you from that. And the research, the Commission of Research, I mean in all the Ministry of Agriculture research into these varieties one. They will do thorough research and make sure that you get that variety. You have the market then you invest and then you put it here. I take long, you watch it for why get that variety accordingly abandoned if government want to go into tomatoes production, why get that variety accordingly? Then I help. Then I break up when I'm invest in garden tomatoes and history. Back break up. Natural value is a beggar. Kake annoy he keep you running from what we actually a beggar. I tell you no just a better. Yeah, to me I told tomatoes. Paste wadi. I think that is a value chain. As many tomatoes they can be produce tomatoes so much. Wholly. And the supply value demand. Yeah, we go into tomatoes processing. Tomato processing factory, then they set it up. I employ a lot of people, I create jobs for a lot of people. And you create jobs for a lot of people. I help the economy as well. So instead of Ghana, one of the highest importer of tomato paste they are talking them produce the fee. They are telling sure but if that effort, they put effort into it, they make sure that that side, tomato production, they have a well structured system. I employ a lot of people. I create job for a lot of people. You have agreed extension officers where I'm always school agree at the end of the day, no do at all. They can make the one. And the Lombe Lake to at least they can be told where I put a lot of people assuming then from home to do J. I even regarded if government make deliberate effort, okay, they are about 20 or 50 acres. Then you maybe why employ like majority. And no, for at least I pay them. I saw doing the job straight that boy. And aside that, I support me have a local farmers way. At least be eke himi on wa ya do a lawyer ko wasi be vide anu ko wasi be vide that this support way. They out at least why have the idea that okay we go into tomato production with this variety and all that. It's very important. Then the West be holistically at the end of the day, yes to come I cannot feel. I cannot this same topic discussing. That time employ earlier if anything at all, the planting for food and jobs are independent cater for and we are. Kaka at the end of the day, because when there's slogan, planting for food and jobs, benefit the Kevado. Open tracks way, pickups way, I'm all cause open personal property, always as by heart. I'm moving contract with that planting for food and job. What happens? One district, one factory, one village, one dam. Water region in pop dam you are above Oga. So for me, before the slogan to recommend the service ever and the time now, any other government is the time to work for the people of Ghana and let a heavy check over and ensure when we continue, they can put more into it. By 2028, I'm going to and we are judge Bella, yes, the second coming of JDM and benefit Ghana.
Ta banon tomato, ashidodo tomato where Chocho Burkina Faso cover Ghana, Gia, Igajo, the Poyama. They're planting for food and jobs, so not tomato. Blended day, when you buy man, that tomato leaf was efficient.
Because planting for food and job.
Tomato you can blend consider the common.
Oh, you have glomele variety only. Eketori that blend consider the common. Can you be told what they are? Then at least I better then by now planting for food and job. I have tomato farms when the beleke that time him planting no. I see how I know who have agriculturist about got to the but probably, but what happens then? Politics were just there for the camera. What is happening now? No fear as a great ministry, over no implement planting for food and job. Or maybe Ghana really depending so much on Burkina Faso for tomatoes, imports, and they know. So why is it that they only make effort to because at the end of the day, you like go to Ghana call it Burkina, you like Gaza call it tomato paste import. No fear as a minister of agri that time, work research, and no, and we are heavily importing play at least we produce and self-sufficient layer. No, they know. But what commitment can who them? That time we slogan, Litoya, Evanye. And no, at the end of the day, I think the result in the commission.
Ayo, talk me announced the tomato, the tomato farmers, the tomatoes traders themselves can contribute money and give to the farmers, and they will fund the tomatoes for them. That shouldn't be a problem. All right, Philip Swain, the common tomatoes too, we can't grow. People are ready to venture into tomato farming, but no help. There is no help. All right, Chris, good morning, Tony. Great conversation. Common tomatoes and some people are creating panic situation as if we want adapt and move on. What people should understand is that as a people, our diet is varied and diverse. We can always manage situations. Interesting. All right, Amaroba to my by force tomato.
Chris Burn, the middle of the tomatoes. Amaro Tadio cleaner. Okay, Tadio, I mean, the matter we clean that tomatoes monoram. Yeah, they are more of a message, man. Filiberco, tomato, crab, and serious tomato, the ha. If I make a quarter of Fiaga Blonha, that means Gina Barbara. All right, good morning to you. So, what? Good morning to you. Okay, so what is Elikem saying? So, is he blaming the former government for the current ban? As I was saying, are you blaming the former government for the current ban?
Maybe I actually say, I'm a follow conversation,
Okay.
Because no follow, I'm not blaming them for the ban.
No, you have said what you said. Yes. I'm not supposed to swim. If you have a banner, and I go and say, and tomato is perishable. Maybe you could have built the argument on. They know the tomatoes blend. The meat process. So I can still the tomato. Eric, Kenya Tomato Traders Association. There are alternatives. Amado tomato, you get tomato ntondo bechachi chimo. The tomato na corner by alternatives. None more problema. Alternatives. I have never sabara subaratati maha. Tomato magari yana sound. So about alternatives. So we understand that. But the question is that we are talking about raw, fresh tomato today. So farming of last 2 years cannot solve the problem of fresh tomatoes today. It can only be an alternative.
No,
argument it can only be maybe tomato puree, tin tomatoes out of planting for food and jobs. But we are discussing fresh tomato today, and it's raining, and we have Amuga.
So what I'm saying is that,
and you have 24-hour economy. You have 24-hour economy.
22 years old. Then what I said, now we're planting for food and job. Any policy, hey, oh yeah, always, and the farm is working, always tomato production energy.
Then you got a minute, we are discussing fresh tomato.
So
8 years ago, 9 years ago, tomato can't be fresh tomato. The topic is fresh tomato. So it is 24-hour economy.
No, you are not getting me. I think you are also not getting me.
Okay.
If the farm, planting for food and job farm, year. If you are there, I'm not cattle. Yes, okay. Because it's a farm that always irrigation.
All right.
No harvest. Then they plant. Go irrigate because that's why for planting for the one village one dam is to irrigate. Okay. Like when you go to South now, I'm more like
so if the farms were continuing and if your government had and the Ministry of Agriculture
for 8 years now, all start policy by 8 years down the line. Policy, another Quebec about children, the Quebec about the policy. The other time we have a government, but fake it. The other problem, yes, the issue, the problem, like planting for food and job help. Now, what is doing the formula is not an issue, but the resources. The other time government, they are into the farmer service centers when then I may have how the resources deep. Government will go to the farmer service center. You have access to the plant, the planter, the fertilizer, the seeds. Can you never harvest for them? You come and pay back. Yeah, that I check news. I brought half of that. All lunch the farmer service center. That is how they are making all the resources. That is how what don't go about it. Government has support to never harvest for that. They pay back. So for me. All regions, around districts, don't have access even to the planter, fertilizer. It will help. It will help because in I know how actually some of these things, nobody want to buy the money they take from you. So if government at the start is doing that and providing us fertilizer, then the rice farm have fertilizer, why wouldn't I be happy?
I think I like that because the woman you mean that she that if in any local planting for food and jobs, that farming they would have done 8 years ago will not cater for fresh tomato needs today. It is a continuation of the farms, the equipping of the farms, the tooling of the farms, the mechanization of the farms is what will answer our fresh tomato needs. So I don't want us to blame
No,
Because
so,
the woman you need order.
uh-huh.
Me came your home share.
Yeah,
That is
that's-
it. So that is it. It's
Yes,
fresh.
yes. So yeah, I'm not blaming them. I'm only saying that if the policy had been good, the all year round ability, and tomato production always be on fresh tomatoes every 3 or 4 months. La fresh tomatoes one of our. And then whatever passing by, I am many believe that you have okay. Then you process it because a door maybe supply of super umi that if my tomato paste factory will have it. Because normally hey the demand matching me today. How do we go into tomato paste production? So that is the aspect that may be okay. If that policy foundation and you commit the resources with them and assign the resources and I'm ready anywhere, then all year round tomatoes energy, the energy. So then the government, if I no, this is something this previous government is doing, and they're helping them. There's no way they'll stop it. The only thing they never want to improve upon it, I introduce the farmer service centers where okay, we put up the factory to process them. Because the policy, the policy, for me at times when I go to the south, anybody like that, I'm over factory. It's the same place, bro. Not the factory place for who harvest here. Irrigation energy. So all year round, onion production. I go to Agroga, I see this is money. Irrigation machine. That is even individuals are doing that. So why can't government do that? Yeah, not about the one district, one village, one family. Yeah, the whole people. It's a very innovative idea. Yeah, help. Kaka at the end of the day, what happened? A gap level. Nane keme iju. Always me. One village one Oduga. Oduga. One village one family. Paruku da boba better office.
You have a power 24-hour economy. I would tell me
guys. Yeah, that's a very that I told the other day. No, she said que a government fa and process so come and look at the over and go back no have come I take a while I have one of the door watch me that mean the sure at least show a year call you kaka biaba won kwa ya changes door analogy at least some commitments to me yes government ya over and when we have a Ghana general being self-sufficient in this you make can depend so much on some of these basic depending so much on import.
All right, Indiana, you got Tony McBurney, Tadena, Honorable Ellicum, Yele Miabo, Camino, Majuju tomato shortage. Minister, have tomato will not short, or you to not be short, there will not be a shortage. Daka nyablo na bosoplo ngi mashia le mablo boton ma uba tomato bashiji ye manya na miata ona na chowo fia agra hoshimu manya na miata ona na chowo nanchi agra hoshimu akun ple ashichalao lashichabo ple nyonfia ukele ashia omo miata ona na mata menu de choji ko ahoimile ke I think we'll do something about that. And now Johnson. Now, Jojo, they were to Jubilee House, either over me, the quiet town, never make a time to Tomaka Kona, Karakata, the presidency communications, then we just say something a little bit on that thing. I've met President Mahama to welcome Zimbabwe President to a state visit. The government of the Republic of Ghana is pleased to announce that His Excellency Emmerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, will undertake a 3-day state visit to Ghana from Wednesday 1st April to Friday 3rd April. President Mnangagwa will arrive at Accra International Airport at 3 p.m. where he will be received by President Mahama with full military honors, including the inspection of a guard of honor mounted by the Ghana Armed Forces and a 21-gun salute. In the evening, President Mahama will host a state banquet in honor of President Mnangagwa to celebrate the friendship between Ghana and Zimbabwe. The main event of the visit will be bilateral talks at the Pediasi Lodge
preceded by a tete-a-tete between the two presidents. Both presidents will lead their respective delegations in detailed discussions on enhancing cooperation between the two countries in several areas, including trade, tourism, health, sanitation, agriculture, and fight against corruption and tackling unemployment. The talks will be followed by the signing of an exchange of memorandum of understanding covering key areas of mutual interest. President Mnangagwa will visit the Sweden-Ghana Medical Center and the Accra Compost and Recycling Plant, where he will receive briefings on Ghana's progress in healthcare delivery and waste management technologies. President Mnangagwa will also visit the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, where he will lay a wreath at the tomb of Ghana's founding father. The president will depart Ghana on Friday with full departure honors at the Jubilee Lounge. Felix Usu Kwachi, spokesperson for the president, Minister of Cabinet Communications. Donc, vous avez activé le satellite, le multi-TV, Momianko Sele Hikao, Jobo Pataji. In Jofina, when you have Fika, Momianko Sele Kahira Conchi, Sama Boda, Momianko Sele Dogo Ghana, Momianko Sele Futu, Hawk, Momianko Sele Denta, of who talk at but to Chokavaya Flower, Pamo Devie. Tony Magoyaklo, and Yadoyabo, but to Cocola, Kanye. Munangwa katima sinuma munangangwa kwenye Zimbabwe toko to Cocola and Yabowa Choi Kabona. Never cho. Oh, Udega Chile airports that tome. And of Maui the Pediasilot. Tabo Bojino was a Sagata of Fiodi, Kumar of Niger, Achusa Uchiga, Dario Duchi, I fig Mako Conjule, or Mako Conjidamo, fig Mako Bola or Pola Dam, Yoko Congo, Pola Tromuazu, Mumi, Perfect Lazakato. Wakaji Kachacha, Chobi, the Gigi Papaji, Dollar, Padera, Blumboy, plus Blumia, Betom, Tamina, Romia, presidential visit by Mr. Lukankwamba. Don't Guji were at them Fajaroma, plus 242 67073. That's just a brief one. I told me, Pirakumiaga. There's a state visit. Nangagwa Bonagana.
So, at least when you have a president, Ghana can attractively in the international community, Choka Sabiago. Countries get all when you are Ghana. For now, I'm sure they want to be up in Kose. The times back, I remember Amede, one Pakistan Kidedo. I remember Ghana. About Ghana, Ghana is a country like many basic portrait of Ghana. The major ignorance, yellow, maybe, at least some of these things, look what open the country to a lot of things. In a board, no hatred in the United Nations and the countries we don't vote for. Yes, I cover most of these countries. Well, the change and say, do when connect boy, I can't do that. No research over show. Similarly, no whole country no ask about European country have food for this particular agenda. Hey, Ghana president leader, they want to know who the Ghana president is. I'm actually research about Ghana or the country Ghana because that is the so for me it's a good one. I can open the country to a lot of people, a lot of visitors, and make it attractive. So every coming in land. It's no surprise. This is just a tip of the iceberg. But I'm sure there are lots more of these international diplomats or presidents that will expect. The WAFA at least ever commend the president for the charge who lead that. So really sure that I enjoy the stay in Ghana.
Okay, right. So happy me and you but because stay visiting. All right. Mahama orders road minister to submit response to Big Bush soul sourcing allegations. Mahama Rebe, na Abuja, governs Abuja, and Abuto where saw Takbe, Hamenola, Ble, Dutobaka Kona Modunya Ojiba. A dog damo she to Bomma, you bear
na to kata nanya ala ba fi o cho du do da mare shi aje ba mana so obli ho okpo maka wa ta o do ma wa cha me ke de mi do ke ka ko do me ma kaka da mare ba ho do yi ke yu ko ta menya mo e ke mo do fe ko do ko ba ro cho do da shi ni don ku ji ba mi po cho chirudu ke ba yi friends, family and friends, cronyism government, nepotic government, favoritism government, favoritism, nepotism, cronyism, you can not another damn for play motor. Women nachimo. Governors don't come, that you read your TV or Chachapishago, Shamu Jimmy, Mama, but no. No. Give reports. President John Mahama has directed his office to obtain the full detailed report from the Fourth Estate following a recent expose on procurement processes related to the award of contracts and the government's Big Push program. Speaking on a dialogue with civil society organizations at the Jubilee House, President Mahama acknowledged the media investigation, noting that while his administration has only seen snippets of the report, a comprehensive study of the various allegations will be conducted. Although, I'm quoting the president, we have seen snippets of the investigation from the media, I have instructed my office to obtain the full detailed report from the Fourth Estate and to conduct a study of the various allegations. Bang a investigative report ala chamam ku keiji ye ka o choro pajiwa o do chomne no vino fio to me bia pe
first estate fourth estate me po report there. Okay, at the end of the day, the man I rely solely on reporting.
Don't give them a way. Fourth, if you have any, who are Chamun, who are actually Governor, which out of part of me. A poor Nuerania video.
Me say brief is done. No video ga ke no ko say
we have about the president have go here
the best report video ga ke to go into MD. You see yes we no go problem so source na LSCM and then so source chela have nuketo jebe na conditions keto jebe wa meet
o my topic am we discuss ma by o fiame ba agency na ma job attack alors mal doji go yo do onye mi se mo ba e so mi if you president bob no be ye gbode de shi fufu ba o lem de anyi na jojo kaka ko dum ala jama lem da anyi ba o do chom na mo to me o mo e ka mo je wo san akone do amo mo wo me no ye pon na ma ta ye gbedem na boja wo do wo ba ba na ya konta
be nuke be se President Megbobe, Ole Tokoto Megbe Kola Mona, the Messiah.
Don't look at no, President Megbobe. President Megbobe. No, Madame Beto, Chochona Mo, you know, Amona Bliho. I can't shoot the rabbit. If you ever a show a chairman, and I go say me, ye the taco the China shoot or dashini. Ye give up a bed chocolate with the Ramorama. Actually, if you have a material actually, maybe what baby, but if you haven't been no,
I bet that President, this administration, like the scandal, no corruption related issues, take it to you. And so, because basically, they are not Ghana, Tonunya, Vasenya Tepia, at least, and never no investigate. So when I show up the investigation, I reveal and give a Yapitinia say, Alumia Yaboki, Minister de Etafua, or contracted, and may have been Etafua. The report a value. Yape mi apete mi ato from chum nyere be report a heva leo legi. Even though the minister I know that the president the minister chair no on air no nyano no about the report a forfeit it cover ebro nyangede chum kakemele show the reporter and na be mi asenu gede komi and then mi pick it from there. Kakenoko wabe what Ichemako had the you see, yes, proud to 2024 elections, I'm a president. On every issue on social sourcing. How the previous government about 100% of contract all is based on social sourcing. The global then you are reducing. Fine. The Malaysia so sourcing the NDC government now definitely our level here agency or our assuming maybe more want to judge more maybe or 10 so many years general kaka bi about one man for ya do about jemo mo ya e ka the village alo e kaka ho that do make it all a contractor he help very competent he at least me akaba avoid the long look here he like competent afford the procedure and and then one example means another be a boots at a point in parliament to be able to put in a cover. The minister global because the unit tendering process a follow. Then up to now you met on there and the manage facility her daughter Ellie. And then Malaysia on that same program on joint use father. I made it phoning, I made it to message the advance message about no la crowd if they are. Da minister nature, but now you quickly because you go back later. The minister no. You are also make sure that you follow the tendering process. If as message said host every hour in the coconut I'm okay be like kaka. Time there's so sources and nowhere never color. So we're issues only. That time iman delve into it so much. He have no alleged. I don't be able to provide educate where there. Here wait for the investigation. That investigation, if I don't present over report one, then me at all analyze it further. And then me at all no, because minority one see all the sense in the road minister Prameloa Oduka. See all the minority
on your show Chile Fiandi and he blocked the president the Chomiktamisi.
Yes.
Fifia ban is it Governor Bujano phone TV global you more so sourcing bang. I'm about wajable conditions. Alomi canana you on so sourcing. I am going to say me. I want to go so sourcing and I Japan right to information. I just now Mushamana Amelo you contract with Alena. Nyama and I'm going to say me. Then do several amono no can poor them or Baba make you the chocolate make a tower in Yafimatuna. Ebo a woman to show you back the money. Ye menu and here at a click on now. Ye come super and a container, Mamma, which will be on the life here.
Yes. Yeah, the minister, then you don't open website. Most of the contracts will not let the contract cost to be here. And they open website.
Mamma,
Minister of Road and New Year. No, maybe I can't do that. Sent to Minister Chapel in response to and requests or hey, I may have raised that. Even to backward, yes, if me I miss backward. Similarly, go board issues on yes. So this particular issue, here may I send to Minister Chapel. They are matched with the response. Allow I may have fourth test touch of a present. Then you have to I take decision from there whether there's any wrongdoing from the part of the minister. Since President Bello investigating, I don't present over side of the story. I don't report on allegations now. Maybe the Boabe, you can delve into it so much. I have no fault, find Blamedeke, I don't know.
So saucy by Yamania Fifi, Panya, Yanama, Mania, she will regam, Panya, Yanamo. Gaka, you bet none in a bo. Have you children, Amama? I wrote the ye daddy, have you children? I wrote the Biba Esugosu. Yeche, have you children?
ye amu dem kumota eten nana amua na akwewo yoto ba me grade yoto mi ba me grassroots NDC to yoto ba me yoto ba mo tamio de kwe enana ba move vi ke amana le donchi ekwele ke mi o big push over launch big push kiki o je mo pro ba the site aro injo regional minister ple Volta Regional MPs caucus so ta ko hamle yo yelayo katale Volta Regional okpro rumbe injo o ite pa te po ma to marka ma to te pa aworo ma mona mo bi ta le aplau de le huina aplau mo ji ne ko fiaro dom la o su no bo mo do ake ne ve go gere to bu ma o na ko mo na ko ga to bu mo na no o gere to mo na mo ko ta pa ro mo do ko ma ro ko ni ka plato ta ni o minority la na mi ma mi ako e discipline bi ko nya ko dara pa mi atu nya te pa enwi ko nye akonta me jojo pa nya ko nye abado ma ye jo do no o chiare alo holore abra di primi je shi fi ako nya jojo to re ba nya jojo toni trai ko na ko do na lo susuma enye jama oto ako nye ba nya jojo to la bu mo ri ko plim ta nkuma la nchinyo e na twena ha mo manya ho de ni ha o manya me wo nye klo ni to nya me ka manya fo trama ni ba ni ba ba na dom mo ka ta ba na ba ji dudu a aguna ga cost financial loss to the state menye ko de fi ko ko to kuma fi fi hala me kickback hala me kata no na me ga ke me bro be fi ara me kwe ta mo ko fo nya ta na ma khlo
yes they are global because they make way and allegations power Minister Chen no have side of the story bro. That me sure be no prison reporter. E ko be have a big push one like president no go be you are select as a look at of you are select competent contractors well. Awato that me le baro play no contract about you for this particular big push project. That is a conscious effort. The decision there and make it all here will big push project wa at least when they make it all here to our to that enjoy and no play mock it all here in so agent be wa he make a here competitive tender de ka wa no nuke de ka wa o here be as you be first guy ni ya be repetition our to fight so why would I and them and now wa je talk about pata at the end of the day let me come value for money is there. It's fine. At least it's giving us value for our money. Fine. The big president, big push. It's a big project, and we need serious people, contractors. Where you our to with them. Many people party okay. Leader were for me maybe yes, and some of these things. That for me, but I sure with the report from the minister and the first state no. At least we are not able to communicate along with you because we have reported whether be value for money elema alobe amede ekoto na mede ma de majojia alobe amede me qualify here wodoa at the point for first to talk about contracting company local na contract ola amede we over staff amede but we guy problem construction and company generally have 100 employees we have in the company. At least when you have the pressure, you win the contract, you employ more people on contract basis. Even some of the machines will catch the work. There you people researcher. When I research today, most of US contractors most of them they are big contractors, they are employing staff are between 9 to 10 people. When you win the contract, you employ more people. You get machines and all that. That you can't say, I have 4 staff that qualify at the door. Meanwhile, I may have the travel reports, every document, everything is there to prove okay at the door. So, and that's about the investigation. Me, I help you. Me, I me as a community. For now, if it's baby jump up and Yaki Menemalo, Navano just that baby said, and y'all the newspaper, the reporter, I present the accurate and true event to a Haiti. We are never very sure and very good and confident in that.
Your missy, me report a John Gagamaya, Matorafmo. Abuja, me report today. Matorafmo. auditor general hani ihe ga den na kwa buja boto ta step by step for nya abo minya like a road contract ole donya de peto ayonya che to be yo cha to ko click contract ade ko akpari ku ba chaso le Adenta Junction chuf makaka bona be do wa be yo bona mokaka o be ma be ni to be watu yo kwa ale que do kuka o do biro kakamo ko fiaso be o bo moto be nana to dan pa ku faro mo fufu la mama ji ba sere fie click ko che ko ta de plateau ko mi se ba ji ru ba tro ko mke chon ke mana jo Nika se atufo go yoga de garencho uyo mama click ko adato le even le chiru ya ba ngoli ma o ga da shi ganchi o ba paro yo ba paro me mi nya le ke mi ole ta o je mododo o kukrumo ba poro mo ji fu na ko ba chui ke o chore de ala le ko je to ko ma kala ma kala ne mo le cha cha ka ta do da ko ba contractors or woman site today James Gumu VRCC fifila public reports man afuma aleka wo ble Jocelyn Kwashi pleto ukata o nume atana pleto kata o chaku to ko te ko ro mo to ta nya onye forete bo nya mafia no ga o be to ko prola men nyu mu le enye no de fia ni ma bo be John Dramani Mahama ikaje yo tunya go ma sa assembly ma as president Benjamin Blomulo. Nana le mame. Il toji. Biji miase.
The report evacuate normally yes sugo. Emma hepno element because a modo ya amelono kuga strategy video kuta. The show the report eva ya konugide and report and abele ke blebe written Mr. Clean piece over cha. The show the ministers are what. Yache original truly that at least we have a more original, but at least priority the only they will keep us so that at the end of the day, we have to go keep the best side from the region and they have more.
I'm not making that me them when yam plus 26242670773. I come to room, I bet you are proud of a joy. Oh, Mambo. A black woman, she side man. A woman was at the sketch south. Oh, woman walker. Mova paro que other zone no ha casaji roha omia beto roha rula o fia na chu o fia trabalhar na ru ba se fia mi ha musti na roha o sai de ma ta yo ta joika ni blom le ni ma ba do me ji mo ba ji ma do joika no me pata le que do je como cara ma kale na ta na wo fo o ye tu ko bra ba ko ma ne nya de mo le nya mo ma kai with mama da ke kwa ko nam reports on something when the nya ba mama abuja ite bo boy ye ko na ba ko aba ko nda ya ma ko ta abuja garo kyume garo kyume manya radio le radio chi ata champa nya garo kyume all right. Anti-LGBTQ bill not garners most pressing concern. Alors concern. Anti-LGBTQ bill not garners most pressing concern, but must be addressed through democratic process. Mama, hey. President John Dramani Mahama has described the LGBTQ plus issues as highly emotive and sensitive, stating that while it has sparked a complex national conversation, it was not the most important challenge facing Ghana at the moment. To go back, Bododo Manusem Vasa Wall Ghana. When you put Taroji when Fiat Tokakiako, may have you. Alabania and your Nassalalam Vovo. Imagine by a Jojayama Pataclu. A jabber, Yogbly, fi, la sosomina semonchi, ne dupe nyao meshama bo wana no wo afina yo say oga your way. Speaking at the presidential lounge with civil society organizations at the Jubilee House, President Mahama emphasized that Ghana is still galloping with the provision of basic needs, including education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council, Senyaro World Affairs Council, that it is not the most important issue we must fix as a nation. Ghana. Marabia, yeah, to be a don't you boy. No, me, I don't know, boy. My but I move yamo. Alicum. Yes, sir. But don't Guji Banya Paclomino program so cheap by your environment. Me to a pump, Kaka, a banana to talk for another champanator. My money, a domono Ghana.
I don't know what to say. I
don't know me, I want my. Sukuvio no chita. Akamino pardon, but I jabo aside, nana sign. Self Faja Gamarano, the show Jeep, Mafia brother. Ye Nana to Dampa Kufado, ye interview large as a true Nagro. Eba, well, Kaka mini council, or Yamatao. Ye Mahama, Nava Dogo, Brabo, no, I know what you body. Don't have the Panami TV bomb or big bomb.
Yes, so, simple, my work will be there. We have a president, Masayo. Everybody bill ready. No one don't know. I believe who pull a people at the one parliament, no one don't know ready. You find what I assign. Now, that has at the time, I follow democratic processes. I don't follow democratic process of a do one assign because the Tebere my sign. In as much as yes, the parliament will put one. There are other pressing issues where they at least you have attention because now you have priority bank. You have to build much about doing one. You are signed. That may be the very my sign. And the parliament who are done on Kakane or Mato Bomba. Let me be my sign. If me, judge. I don't have to
that's a topic I never did. So, what the dollar century, many you put priority, many money of a tabu share. Many no south, see many see you look my biabere. Do we can ya boom body, Madomia boom chan. I feel a woman, mamma, or no program so chin, I'm not part of whatever another side. As a yagonami. Then you have a bromber. See, apart this feeding bread and butter issues, that's what I'm saying. Were they not priority at that time? Nana do dampa kufa do yaman bomba do enya muhiawa. That's the question I'm asking. Now you are using bread and butter issues, okay, and you are talking to World Council.
President Eddie, ma sign. If you can be the parliament, Talimina Boboki, the parliament, a parliament in one. Tami the other priority is to we plan who are no, that is
this is not my priority.
Priority no. And look at that, I mean, priority. Yes, I will talk about then make a bill and make a sign. Fifia Kebedi, even though, yes, and the parliament democratic and the only many even priority, the priority now, we never did to 1 minute, let me buffer. Can you bill and check a parliament, General Bow of Dollar Banland? Yes, I never remember.
I have a private parliament have priority bill solely.
Oh no,
I have a bill certificate of agency. Bill solely, bill solely, 5 years ago. Ka o couple parliament, uma fondo do terraro. A roli or a fund general aka, net at 2 force certificate of agency. Hey, no, Pumalaka, you know what the signal is sending to parliament? No, but parliamentary majority, I'm not back to the parliament if you are in NDC. Ministry, you can build Macogavea, NDC to the ministry of Mohatan. Baramanchide. Aika Ocho bill that over private members bill. Sevia Susu plus Samjata Plato, Ocho bill and it will impose cost on the nation. And you're going to say me that we are expecting after Bubo Sema, Meganye, America, Verton, Onyi Noga, Abba Yoko Bill Mavaka, Edgeber, Jidu, Door Fade, Ministry, Ida Genta, I said, then I go interior ministry, Kenya Maka. Are you get what I'm saying? There's a ministry in Makogave. Minister Mamako, Yamakatole. Cody Kalamama, politicians, please don't mislead us. I'm a journalist. Cody Kalamame, the president, but this is not my priority. I make a bill Maoga cover of my children as a people of Manafa. Rabadomo, Sugula Chite. Nyaya, Nabe Bill and Namini.
I'm the President said it, no problem,
that she's signing, when you're signing, when the topic I'm on, that she's signing, the topic is not outside. Outside when it is radio.
Parliament who was the previous who ever the president
it was a private member's bill.
Never signed. That's not the matter. Okay. No book coin. No one done for. No one done for. The whole ready. Yes, sign.
Very well.
What was sign? No, what sign? Okay. Oh, and look at old one Kakaka, Kaka, Badu, sign one. Can you feel me? I'm going to go.
Plus 23. The number, no, plus 233, 240. My dear, plus 233, 242, 670, 773. Number, I don't know. I want message. Many messages are coming in on this matter. Plus 233, 242, 670, 773. I'm insisting. When you're signing or no signing, when you're this is not my priority. And when I go member, this is no longer going to be a private member. President Benami also qualified the government and media. But if you are to do what the party are for doing and to Domagan or this is not my priority. Yeah, I'm a guy, a president, but this is not my priority. Yeah, minister there to chocolate and manchia. This is the conversation. It's not a question about signing or not. It will not even be done before you will be signed.
I told you know.
I told you know.
Minister, I'm going to talk about the I'm going to talk about the new bill. Sam George, the family, Betralene, Helen Tosuleme, Ritana on Soa, NDC and Uleme, MPP Torture.
Priority Bilonia.
Meleshope, Oletuano.
Priority Bilonia.
Yeah, oh, Ellen,
stage goal. Oh, first reading. Even first reading has not been done. Put that fifth year, I'm a double, but this is not my priority. Dane, Helen, also boys, what I on the la. Don't ask the president.
Oh no, and look at Parliament, which is the president,
and whose interest in Parliament's work? Parliamentary.
Not necessarily the government, the people of Ghana.
Very well.
They are representing the people of Ghana.
Mensa, Ghana is indeed working again. Kudos to the president. Other nations are coming to us. All right. Akosa, good morning, Tony. Great show. I'm sure they are going to enjoy Easter at Kwebu.
these messages are messages that came no Mnangagwa Konya no. All right. Akuba Zimbabweans are truly wonderful people. All right, so they are amazing on and on and on. Very long message. Okay, I see your message. Elikem. Wow. Elikem Kotoko. Ghana is now the political mecca of Africa. We're going to turn a great show. All right. Oh, okay. Elikem. All right. Ernest, good morning, Johnny. The president knows what he is doing. We have more urgent needs to address. This bill is not necessary. Okay. Okay. Statesman. Yarko statesman. But what's with these leaders wanting to meet Mama? Let the man for Ghana and Ghanaians only. Let the man for Ghana and Ghanaians only, please. Oh, okay. Like we should leave him alone, or let him be free to do Ghana's job. Okay, all right. I think that's what you're talking. Okay, Daniel Tete, Blasters. Blaster, I mean, okay, fine. Very, very short one. Let me show you my Blasters. Blaster talk when you good morning to you, Tony. Mekenya. Susie Chogodogbe, Susie from Godogbe says, good morning to you. We Ghanaians are opposed to homosexual practices in Ghana. The president must pass this bill. Okay, it's not the president that passes parliament. He must assent to it. They must do they must assent to it. Okay, we Ghanaians will check them, by the way. So, right, that's a good one from you. Okay, Jacob do message Jacob Benyomian Kosem good morning to you, Tony. Great show. I like the questions you are asking your guests. He should answer your questions. And you should answer. You answer. It'll be a question. Where Dutch go? All right. Good morning to you, Tony. Can Africans have a problem? Africans have a big problem. Can't we just grow what we eat? All right. Esinam. Okay, I think it's Esinam. Esinam. Edo message ma. Let me show halfway. All right. So these are some of the messages that are coming in. You should answer questions. All right. Miaba coach. Mimi was supposed to be at a bar. Miada Juma. And many DCMP were maybe too much. The Katia Community TV or to Adomema and Ghana Football Association. You can't you put okay, wake up on a ball who are now, but you're near the Katia allow friendly game. You can point me low match your people in Jokoshi web Ashidinkia, Ukata, Uru Ganaji, the Kaja 5 minutes. You, your coach, Adams. A Kenyan sports minister. Of whom Ghana Male, people do not work up here. You might be more Israel. I've got more Ghana. I've got a year old who mount up Babito. You have original chairman. Munyaro Quena. But the Akimiko Direct Minister Jubilee House wanna go interfaith religious of Accra. Elfis free Accra Molimo Urugaro do Jiruawa no coconuts. No abone $35. Oh, and that's a remember from American Yellow, honorable. Yeah, as the minister was you are not ready. And now maybe you don't can attack no complaint. Over a no chilota, no Katachi.
At least people have a performance for some years now. Elle est down, elle est dit. Mais quand elle a beleki Ghana Black Star team, no. Me na 2006 World Cup, 2010 World Cup, and they make more difference for them. kakeno ko abe ide ke a ile kanyale ke team be formation branch level. So at the end of the day, we cover the leadership of the team abe ya chemele akabajo. No John abe amowa kana nufu be okay. Player will the ball for the coach here. I'm an example be look for Manchester United that who so poor the same players were kaka a coach here Yeva ya we keep over the third position. We should about 7th position by the third. If you have the leadership and making the team a coach and very important. That over the never friendly matches of about 5 friendly matches of the people, I mean, do so and even on field, they like a game they call you like call a ball. They may lose actually will have some confidence looking at our player. Even though when we lose kake, there's something happening. Kake the ball a property will manage a ball. They have a team moment on the ball possession and pass ball for at least 3 minutes. No work over us. Umenya until to ole call at to umenya no so for us you know about to add matter at all. Brazil World Cup kemi bomma ya o won ke video kaka amelo o ka kweve imenya ba mo be interest no le amobe appointment ne de alo ame ya here need GF amobe interest no level that even though ba no nya ko wa me ba to wa to kakela still on pushing hard be ne wa to and me ko ka be player selection chela me le me achi do one way amedo le team so me o le ball for over your now. You have a local leagues on the field. I'm all very angry to show the world what they can do. Change of way, ima someone, yawa, I'm a player, outdoor game, you have them. Came in a Europe, I may have all a Fafanover clubs all the Europe, over country. Need a priority now, Akpa. Because them ever like was a fuck all of over the injury like a club like Macaco Cup. Meanwhile, we have local players here who can equally do the job. South Africa, most of their players they are from their local teams, local clubs, and when we just mentioned is some kind of look at the level domain. Kakaya ko no nya chokumi de Europe. Obiba de am call the fear kelefi. I'm in the third division for the battle relegation. I'm in back of it. Meanwhile, I'm in the House of Folk. I talk about for no left for the Agbala. And to be show the world what they are doing. I mean that's okay, yeah, the local people. And then we are focusing more on the outside, focusing over priority in the clubs too. So for me, the problem the team selection practically really helping. I can't go afford to invest, let me take decision at home. I can so make a people a decision and take it. Now friendly games on. Now all back to over clubs and clubs are what game for in May. That if you the new coach can hear about I have full complement of the team now within 3 weeks ago. They were prepared for the World Cup to start in May. So what happens then? If you have even be too late in letting the head coach go. Kake is never late. Coach Olekwa, the new coach can hear about the monitor and I make sure that will be better on you. Local education surprise immediately. We have previous performances were white coaches were only team Jababa. I tell me I'm told we have coach were local coach were midway the nuclear. Then on performance and I never be a detail. And look at and maybe because I want to see Kaka because maybe Aku whichever maybe Luka which is where yeah. Then for 2006 World Cup, white coach here and we did so well. So some of the things be prioritized. Immediately Luka coach go here more training, more education, more resources, more look at the out here while live up, they want to manage that look at all way. We are not relying so much on foreign coaches. So I think the time has come. Yeah, new resource. Let me develop. We have a local coaches way. they actually reach that level. Maybe are not so confident enough then what need the team. Aside that, what is the commitment from our players? Look at Senegal. The Senegal know the ball, know the game man. There's some kind of urgency, seriousness, aggression, element. Even though they actually have over clubs all playing outside, but when they come to represent the country now, the energy element is so different. When we start talking prominent, like I'm not a slow approach to the line. Oh, but other countries where Senegal, Mali, Cameroon, Congo, Britain, get a game better. These are Africans way. Probably before the Australian game, the blaster team la physicality la N09. The Australian game, actually, about the physical. So it's an issue that for me, letting him go. I think maybe I'm calling for it. And over, maybe a shop, GFA, including the Ministry of Sports, but take the right decision and get the right coach for the job. The message, but at the end of the day, know that GFA will be there. Ministry of Sports, Ministry, Sports Ministry, and what can be an allegation or no snapper. That not even live a good look at that. Then make sure that he stand on the background. Look at who no one. Because Sports Ministry, every World Cup now in your journal, you see that baby fly Gakoi, I know one, a super. Make a debate, Jamaica committee, I know look at the that whole figure, and then make sure they stand in the background. I will look at it. At the end of the day, we are going to talk to the Minister of Sports, General Ejaman.
Yo, Akbar, Claycam, Choma, Inya, Milan Diona, Bona, Nyajuk, Jujuk, Yaboba Musubo, Majimach, the Wu, Alaver, Mia, Abu Wonam. Don't put your plus 2332426707773 is all right, but well, sucking off the code, not nice at all. All right, thank you for your message. Faisal Agotube, this is the fault of the NDT National Diabolo criminals. Hey, the bad luck they brought with the IU boys who are untalented brought the shame. It's likely they sold the match. Baumia to another. We need somebody from the south because you can't allow a minority to rule majority. Everybody should clear off and go to their villages. Hey, you're Tony, I'm a people Tony. I won't read your message. All right, Samba. Good morning, Tony. Jordan Ayew was the only player I saw on the field yesterday with his masterclass control. Your hatred for Abedi Pele will send you to your early grave because no African player has ever broken his record. And I know Mr. Sports go more than Nemi Sports man, but honorable, but Anya goes a man. Okay, all right, okay. Doche match. But I don't understand why people are so eager and excited to see the coach fired. A coach can only do so much. The reality is that the quality of our players has declined drastically. The best coach in the world couldn't take a mediocre squad to the World Cup and win, just as the greatest trainer on earth couldn't prepare a retired Bukom Banku to defeat a retired Mike Tyson. All right, so that's a message. Okay, Martin. But well, we can poach him for the Moroccans, just like we poached Tamir Djokovic from Rwanda for 2000. Trust me, you must say sports go. So you don't rely on me for sports at all. You want football, so it's not mine. Don't. All right, Captain, my Captain talk. About bringing politics in here, you will be answered aptly and appropriately. Talking about stealing, the Auditor General AG reports on how governance was under the MPP reveals it all. It's the history of Ghana that the first finance minister of the republic to run away from the country is Uforiata. You can only be mentally paid to draw that layman's conclusion that NDC is synonymous with stealing. Well, Gonja Mafia, and you think the Auditor General's report is a new thing? Masa, talk something. Okay, that's the reply to that. Okay, I don't like the tangent Mafia. All right, more messages, some outstanding messages for Amaben Kwaje Force Ghana. Shut up, Ghana, serpent of all corruption. Create, loot, and share. Okay, Afu Monanu Nanenu Ebe. You did not make any sense when the president is asking for a probe. Who are you to challenge it? We have come a long way to be able to speak our mind. If this was Kwame Nkrumah's time, when will you be called to explain why you are? Oh, I'd rather be cool. Okay, all right. I'm going to major. A probe into what? Mahama should dare not destroy Abuja while keeping himself and family members clean. All right. Okay, Elikem got no message here, but I'm disappointed in myself for wasting time. All right, I think I'll lay down a slide. Church, Honorable.
Yeah, sure.
I don't think people are happy in general today about the president calling for probe. I don't know why, but I think that's the impression I'm having about this Abuja issue. So let's conclude on that. Honorable.
All right. So that's
you see, when I TV, I can make a German meow. Dana do message at the catch you are. And you may have a message to him, to judge and message to the Dupanamo constantly, but boy, do it. You have good money, good money, do your personal plow, Yagra, bow, yeah, with Arafma. And we so I know what you're doing. God bless you. I thank you so much. I plan to Tomokata, Akbana, patience, La Buddha, Vemian Possum, Akbano, India, Kuma, Mamian Possum, Le Hohway, Akbano, India, Mary Hadubanam, Emian Possum, Cho, Adenta. Those are my regular people. I think talk with Volta and Salakachi, and Possum Chakachi. Honorable Majiba and Abutanam quickly.
All right, so I heard you see, the president is very fair and transparent. And who budget by appointed the issue of scandal, corruption, and they don't take decision. Let me finalize any scenario. About the one of the New Year one was the government here on the maybe the social if you have a minority like corruption. That for me, it's for me, and you have a problem. They are going to it. I'm saying, okay, this is it. Government will be broken to it. Who present to find this way? I'm saying, I present at the side of the issue. At the end of the day, I'm vindicated.
Just a quick man. DJ, respect, but please do your system. Your picture motion is down. DJ, don't message man on Facebook. You can see that. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm sure you understand what that means. Christian Adiabobe, God bless you richly for the great job you are doing for wow. DJ, our motion is dull. Please do your system. All right, DJ, we apologize for that. We'll try to do that before the show ends in the next few minutes. But if not, we are improving. Sorry about that. Okay.
Yeah, so for me, it's a good thing. In the spirit of transparency, and then yes, for the government to declare no way of any wrongdoing, for me, and so in any system, any country or government, it will ensure transparency. And these are some of the things where that for me, there's no issue about that. No investigate. I know whatever report I don't present. Maybe I can talk with me same gauge. me am over accusations when allegations or whole cock of the obedi no me am see me as come me make wrong judgment there you take by whatever wrong by so doing that and now the government cocoa there for government the allegation of our here destabilize and distort the progress and the purpose and agenda the government pursue.
Akbayo ya pangkola honorable Kem Chombo ye parichinya baba nyama jujume me manya ko so sourcing is bad. Don't do it, don't defend it. We are not interested. It's not a voter for you. Don't back boy and call the show. Akbana mi akata ba ke mi parichinya mi jo nyama me na ma we e chop dan ga ko ngam ya kono be ta ko ne do ha chu kata ke parichinya ye mpopla nye no tata ba ya ko ka do yo ke o nya be mi ao mi wo ke mi pere mi achiku Yolo, Miku, Miahoji, Bernamiku, Fimiba, Mimuon, Doroko, Itapo, Tony McWeber, Nkame, Ne Lunami. But that when a vola have our clinic, or Upermiachi, Laga, Afimi, the work of born. Bye bye.
Hey, see, they go, they pretend that they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh everywhere. Jealousy, jealousy, jealousy.